Anyone can Ollie, and you can too. The physics are pretty simple with an Ollie. Basically, you're applying pressure to the back of the board and you're forcing the front to come up. Once you're in the air, you want to level it out. And that's an Ollie. I personally think it's easier to learn while you're moving, because if you're not moving, everyone just looks straight down in front of them instead of actually feeling what it's like to look forward and have your shoulders pointed this way. You're gonna wanna get a little bit of speed and then just go like this. Just practice doing that. Just smack the back on the ground. And try to do it quick too. Just focus on hitting it really fast on the ground. And if you can, try to get the back wheels off the ground. So just the tail is touching the ground like that. So do that a few times. Try to get both wheels off the ground by just pushing hard enough. For this part, you don't need to be moving, but it helps. That's the first thing in an Ollie. That's basically what it is. You just have to control your front foot after that. So once you can do this, all you have to do is level it out and push the front down, and that'll put you up in the air. So same thing, and then just push down on your front foot. So it's kind of weird. It's kind of like a karate move, because you're lifting up your front foot, and then you lift the back one and you switch kind of. So you're like this in the air, and then you level it out, and then you land. One thing you want to make sure is that your body weight is also moving up. So like if you notice my body, I'm not just standing here going like that. Like my body goes down, and then as I do it, I spring upwards. So it's like jumping, but you also have to do that karate move. Don't make it harder than it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.